Alright, today we're making kebab. So this is the meat, and I'm gonna make like a small ball. Okay, and there you go. So that's how you need to put your fingers, like that. You can use a little bit of water, and then you gotta press it like that. And there you go. Your kebab is ready. And I have a couple of kebabs already made. So that's how you make kebab. So I'm coming back with you guys. So I'm making kebab, and this is cheese with the local tortillas over here, and I have the green onions. So it's gonna be tasty.